Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious deviled eggs. Start by boiling eggs gently and cooling them in ice water to stop cooking and ease peeling. Carefully halve eggs and remove yolks to a bowl for a smooth filling. Mix yolks with mayonnaise, mustard, a splash of vinegar, salt, and pepper until creamy. Spoon or pipe filling back into whites for an attractive, tasty appetizer everyone will enjoy. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious deviled eggs. Begin by choosing large eggs and bringing them to room temperature for even cooking. Gently lower eggs into simmering water and cook until yolks set but not dry. Transfer eggs to an ice bath immediately to stop cooking and make peeling simple. Dry and halve each egg carefully, keeping yolks intact for a smooth, lump-free filling later in the process. In this video, I will help you make delicious deviled eggs. After making the basic creamy filling, divide it into portions and add flavor boosts like pickle relish, smoked paprika, or a dash of sriracha. Fold in herbs such as chives or tarragon for brightness, or mix in crab or bacon for indulgence. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, or lemon juice so each variation shines on a party tray.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.